Right now, AI is replacing real workers. Not in the future. Today.
We begin tonight with the latest on the automation impact. And experts believe millions of jobs could disappear before 2030.
The scary part? Most people still think their job is safe. But AI is learning faster than humans ever expected.
As a result of the restructuring, we have to let some of you go. Businesses don't care about emotions. They care about efficiency.
AI never sleeps, never gets tired, never asks for salary. Customer support is already being replaced.
Graphic design is changing forever.
Even drivers may disappear in the next decade.
But one category of people will become richer than ever because of AI.
The winners won't fight AI. They'll use it.
People who learn AI today may dominate tomorrow's economy.
History always rewards people who adapt early.
Just like machines changed factories, AI is changing human work.
This isn't science fiction anymore.
The future belongs to people who understand technology.
The AI revolution has already started. The only question is, will you adapt before it's too late?